Hey, Computer Science Basics here, and this is the fourth tutorial in Python programming series, in which we're going to learn about some of the data types that exist in Python. So a data type is a thing that determines what type of values an object or a variable can have, and what kind of operations can be performed on them without causing any errors. The tutorial will cover four different data types: integers, floats, booleans, and strings. So the first data type that we're going to look at is the integer data type. And an integer data type can only have a number as its value, and the number is supposed to be an integer. So let's just create a variable that's going to be of an integer data type. We'll call it integer var and set the value equal to 98. Let's check the value, and the value is 98. Great job, you've just successfully created your first integer variable. So the next data type that we're going to look at is the float data type, and it also has to be a number, but instead of being an integer, it can be a rational number. So that means Python always represents it as a decimal. So let's just create a variable that's going to be of a float data type. Let's call it float and give it a value of 1.01. By the way, remember division that we've discussed in the calculations in Python tutorial. Now, hopefully you understand that what we've got as a result of a simple division, so like 5 divided by 5 is a float, and what we've got as a result of an integer division is an integer. The next data type is the Boolean data type, and it only has two possible values. It can either be true or false. You can think of it as a light switch, so it can either be on or off. So to declare a Boolean variable, type in the name of the variable, and then its value with the first letter being the capital. So a string data type is a data type used in programming to represent text rather than numbers. It is a set of characters that can contain spaces, numbers, and letters. So to create a string variable, first of all, is always type in its name, and then just type in its value. So it's really important that you put everything you want to be inside the string between the double quotes, since the quotes is what telling Python that you're actually creating a string. So just type in hello world, and if we now check the value of string var, it has hello world in it. So it's worth noting that the variables themselves don't have a data type, it's the values inside them that do. So all the stuff that we've put inside the variables is an object of its own. So for example, if we type in 98, this is an integer. And if we type in hi, this is a string. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to get more content like this.